Okay, so you now fold this, you fold this on top of this, fold this on top of this. Then you now trace from here, just trace, put, then you now open this, then you now cut from here back. Right? So now fold this back. Now we'll measure our neck. Let's confirm the neck measurement. So you place your tape this way, right? Place your tape from this point. You confirm. Remember, we're working with neck 16. As you can see there, we have exactly 16. So please do not touch this. So when you're sewing, you sew exactly this folding point that we marked. We'll have exactly neck 16. Now let's move back to this point. Let's move back to this point. Let's move back to this point. So from this point here, take note, from this point, remember the fold, you now cut, trace your armhole back. So you also confirm your armhole measurement, right? So we are cutting, so mark remember our shoulder from this point here, mark from this point here, that is 10.5, 10.5. So cut, so let's cut. Okay, so now have that, right? So you have that armhole. So you also confirm your armhole, which is 21. So from this point, so we have exactly, this is 11, which is 22. So cut there down to the end. Remember, I said the down will be folded, it's not long enough. So, okay, I'll bring this. So now fold this. Here we'll be having this fold. So when you're doing your sewing, you sew, you move in a little, then here you now come out. So that down part will be a bit wide. So this is how to go about cutting your etibo. So quickly, I'll cut the back yoke. We'll be cutting the back, is a striped fabric. We'll be mixing this with your black. There are different ways to prepare this. So quickly cut the, so to cut the back yoke, you fold your fabric into two. I want to cut the back yoke. Remember, it's a stripe. The main fabric, the lines are vertical, that is straight, while the back yoke, it will be horizontal. So you place this, right? You place this